Good morning. My name is Kipkemoi from Nabu Capital, and I am an investment analyst here. And today I just thought I should update you on where the African markets are. And I must say, so far, so good. Kenya up 16.2%, and the other markets are falling behind. Egypt at 15.2%, Zambia at 10%. And if you check the upside on the local currency, it actually shows that some of these markets are actually gaining against the dollar, which implies that we are seeing some reversals that we saw in 2018 where the local currencies really lost against the dollar. So let's focus more on the top market, Kenya, and just ask ourselves some of the key pointers that could be resulting in the market going up. Other than the emerging market inflows and frontier market inflows coming back into the country, could it be because of the many mergers and acquisitions happening in the economy? We've seen two key ones this year, the merger between CBA and NIC, and just last week we saw Airtel and Telecom coming together. What are your thoughts? Is that positive for investors? Do investors look for mergers and acquisitions as signs to invest? Happy to hear what your feedback is. Thank you. My name is Kipkemoi, and I am an investment analyst at Nabu Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.